Hello everyone, this is your host Sneha, and welcome back to your favorite show, Imagination Station with Sneha, where we are talking about the one of the most important weapon for everyone, from which we can get anything and any from which we can get anything in our life. So my topic is education, and for that today we have a very special guest. So put your hands together for Miss Bhavya. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Okay.
What
So,
about
ma'am-
you?
Okay, I'm also fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Ma'am, I just want to know, I just want to ask some questions on education. So, if you are comfortable, so can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, ma'am, as we know very well that education plays a very important role in everyone's life. So, what is your opinion on that?
Yeah, that is definitely what education is the thing. It, without it, nowadays people cannot grow and like they cannot develop. For everything in now's generation, education is the most important thing. When we are talking about we cannot live without oxygen, so nowadays we cannot live a well life without education, and education is the thing which teaches you, which helps you to develop yourself, and it helps you in every walk of your life.
Okay.
So education is the most necessary thing in today's generation.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you told that you are talking about the growth. So, how can we growth ourselves from education?
That's very simple, that education is the thing which helps you to develop your knowledge. By education you gets to know how to behave. By education you know how to, like, when we are when from the childhood, when we are studying in a class, we get to know how to grow together. So it is the, like, education is the first step towards our success, you could also say that. So education teaches you everything, but it is upon how you are getting it. It is upon the way how you are getting it. It is the step towards success, or it could be your step towards your failure.
Okay. So, ma'am, what is the purpose of education in today's society?
It is very simple that nowadays everything is related to education. Without education, nowadays, as we are a developing country, so while we are developing, we need more educated people, and with the more educated people and youth, our country would develop well, and this will also support in our every sector. Today we need, today's days we need to develop in IT sector. Then it is the most, and in every field education is must needed thing.
Okay. So, ma'am, as we know that in this time people have degrees but they don't have skills. So, what is your opinion on that?
Yeah, they have degrees but they don't have skills. As I think in our education system we need a change, that with theory we also need to have some practical, because when you are studying you are just reading it and setting it in your mind, but you don't have the visual or the experience, so you cannot use your knowledge in that field. But while we have the practice of that, then we could express it in more efficient way, and that we would be more useful for our country.
Okay. So, ma'am, my next question to you: if suppose if there are two persons, first one is educated and second one is not educated, so in your opinion, who is good or not?
If you are talking about the intentions, that you cannot tell, because many educated people also think that they are educated and they are superior than those people who are not literated. And as I think education is not the thing which decides whether you are good or bad. As I already told you, that education can lead you towards the success, and it could also lead you towards your failure. So by education you cannot tell whether the person is good or whether the person is bad, but it is something which makes you more useful for the country or
Okay. So, ma'am, in your opinion, degrees are important or skills are important?
in my opinion, both are important, because degree is the thing which helps whenever you are going for a job interview or something, it helps you to they realize that you have knowledge. It is like a stamp that you have knowledge, but experience is also necessary, because without experience you cannot do anything,
Okay.
whether
So,
you
ma'am-
have any degree or not.
Okay. So, ma'am, as we know very well that there are lots of peoples in now generation also that they don't know the benefits of education. So, how can we understand? How can we make him? How can we make understand them?
As we are talking on this channel about education, So by this also spread the knowledge that how it is helpful, and government is also giving some schemes by which they are spreading awareness about why education is important and how it helps the youth to grow well, and like how it could change their life. And by like TV channels, news channels, or government has also already working on such schemes. So nowadays most of the people know the value of education.
Okay, so my next question to you, ma'am, that there are lots of people nowadays, they think that education is not compulsory for girls. So what is your opinion on that?
So the people who are, first of all, the people who are thinking that education is not necessary for girls, then I am very sure that they are illiterate people, because if they have the education, they know the value of education, especially for the girls. Because the people who are thinking this are not educated, and they don't have a wider and wisdom thought. If they are educated, education also teach you the equality, education also teach you the things which you need in your life. And first thing when we go to school, we learn is to respect everyone. So if they are thinking that kind of things, then I'm sure that they are not educated, and uneducated people cannot tell the value of education.
Okay, so ma'am, my last question to you, that what are the benefits of education?
Education helps you to express yourself well in every field, and nowadays, as I think, education is very important for everyone, even for girls. It is the most important thing for girls, because in India, in ancient time, we were not we don't give the freedom to the girls, and they always like to suppress the girls. And when girls got educated, they get to know their rights, and education is the thing which can help you to develop that feeling that you be confident and get to know about your right. When you are confident and know the rights, you can fight with anyone regarding their how powerful they are, what they have, or how rich they are. You are not afraid of anyone, because you have the most powerful weapon of the world, that is education.
Okay, so thank you for your precious time, ma'am. Thank you.